People have been asking for more videos of Mrs. Isiche, and today I find another lovely clip of her speaking Igbo and talking about coming home. You need to watch this video.
And my learned husband. If you're not so much, I like him, all the very pushful. It's moving. Accompanied by our able chairman and my honorable husband as well. When you're more young, to be here today amongst this thing. Okay, me put a liver. That is, I was over the moon in London. So I can't too much because I'm na security go a big issue in Nigeria and the Navy generally as well. Because I'm no way to the man, I'm an ego to the Navy. I'm no way to the man, I'm an ego to the Navy. No, you're going to age them. I got not tears, you will million. I can tell you, a few years ago, didn't know why for that. What to blow me and okay, my mother-in-law then go guy and one make you come. No, but the man you of a family line, you know, our house. Only I come here, but you find effect. And they save one. Security attack. So go put the local security and security and name. Thank God for if I know, everybody choose. Na gozia afunu romi ananya na foto kan na afia na afifa na ede na video mana Chineke ga ama nyele ama nyekwala unu nwa bụ ndị na cheda anyị inugo it is well no believe anyị mere Chukwu na ga agba unu ume and ọ ga-edebe unu nyekwa unu strength and energy iji wee carry on anyị nwa na onwe anyị otu aka lụrụ anyị I ga na-eme otu aka lụrụ nwaanyị ka ọ tụkwasịrị di ya so I can't go to one. I go on in Chekubade, so who don't you know, Chani, may God bless us and move you forward. Amen. If any nine are plan, na Ganiru, Kamadi Alabanu, Bobulu, and no honesty is the best for life. Yes. Honesty is the progress. Ikubarana Kayoto. They protect you. May God bless you all. Amen.
Today I want to show you another beautiful video. Like I said, you've seen the video. The white woman, she, like we already know, she's married to an Igbo man whom many of you asked to see more of her last video, remember? And one thing that stands out immediately is her strong command of Igbo language, just like her son. You can hear that she is not just repeating words, she speaks with confidence and familiarity, which shows that she has spent time with the people, the culture and the language. It shows she loves the people where she's married to. This is one of the things many people love to see. Someone who is not originally Igbo, yet has embraced the language and the way of life so well. In the video, she also speaks about sincerity and appreciation. She thanked Ifeanyi Oba and acknowledged the security situation in Nnewi at that time, saying they were, happy to come home. And that message is important because it reflects a feeling of safety, belonging, and joy in returning home. And that shows you that video has been long before Ifeanyi Oba died. Now, for many people watching, this is more than just a woman speaking. It is a sign that Igbo culture is something people can connect with deeply, no matter where they come from. Her use of Igbo language also shows respect for her husband's roots and for the community around her. That, it is something many viewers find beautiful and inspiring. And this is why people keep asking to see more of her videos. And anytime I get more of her videos, I will bring it here. So viewers, what do you think about the way she speaks Igbo and, her love for Ndi Igbo and Igbo land? What do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. Please don't fail to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share this video widely. I'm Azuka OJ. Bye bye for now.